Om Shanti. Good morning. I hope I'm audible. If I'm not, the co-facilitators can tell me so. So, a hearty welcome to one and all for today's Vihasa workshop. Very happy to see all of you all here. And before we really start the session, let's sit in silence and get ourselves prepared for today's session. Keep away whatever things you all have with you all. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Continue this for another 2 cycles. And as you breathe out, you feel more relaxed. You get yourself mentally prepared to spend next 2.5 hours to reflect, to explore, to enjoy this beautiful value of cooperation. It may happen that there would be some obstacles, some disturbances. You may get motivated to see your mobile phone, read WhatsApp messages, but let's tell our mind that for next 2.5 hours, it is me time. It's just time for myself. Unless really urgent, make sure that we all focus on this beautiful module of cooperation, which won't be success without cooperation of all of y'all. Okay, thank you. So welcome once again, everyone. My name is Praful. I am based in Pune. By profession, I am a chartered accountant working with a Swiss bank, and I'm associated with Vihasa since last 5 years and BKs since last 18 years. It's wonderful to join any Vihasa program. And today's value is very dear to me, cooperation. I think cooperation is probably needed at every point of time because man is a social animal. We don't really stay in isolation in, caves or on mountains. It's with cooperation of our family members, our colleagues, our friends, workplace. So it's good that we are together here to explore this beautiful value for another 2.5 hours. So with this short introduction, I would request my other co-facilitators also to introduce themselves, and then we start the session. So over to you, Dr. Manoj. Then
Okay.
followed by Anu. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, Praful Bhai. Hope I am also audible.
Yeah,
Everything is
very
okay.
clear.
Thanks. Good morning. I am Manoj. By profession, I am a pediatric nephrologist. That is, I specialize in kidney problems in children. Been associated with Vihasa since almost 6 years now, 6.5, and with Brahma Kumari since 12 years. And today I'll be giving a few more surprises to you at the end of the program for the next upcoming weeks. What is our schedule for values and what is the purpose of Vihasa as well further. So, with this short introduction, let me just pass it on to Anu's sister. Thank you.
Thank you, Manoj, brother. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to again every week, every Saturday we have met, and many of you are here again, as I can see. So I'm very happy to see you all. I'm joining from Vancouver, Canada, and by profession, I'm a research scientist in pharmaceutical industry. With Vihasa, it is just a year, but it's always such deep reflection of values that really help me a lot in my own life, to see and to bring values more into my actions. So I really value these sessions and very happy and thankful to be here with all of you as we learn from each other by sharing. And with Brahma Kumaris, it is about 10 years I am practicing meditation. And today it's really great. We are going to explore on cooperation, as Praful Bhai said, that definitely without cooperation we don't exist, right? Because we don't exist alone. So definitely I'm looking forward to spend the next 2.5 hours with all of you exploring on cooperation, bring out from within to our actions. So without further delay, I think let's start with our warm-up activity. So as we are talking about cooperation, so let's think of cooperation. So the question will be, everyday basis we experience cooperation, right? So think about it, reflect on. Actually, I would say every day morning as I wake up, I experience the cooperation of my breathing. I experience the cooperation of this day, the sunrise, the wind, then cooperation, in every sense, in every field, right? Whomever we are seeing, that smile is a cooperation. But now it's, as we'll explore through the session, we'll look into true real cooperation in real situations that can be difficult at work or at home. But right now, a simple act of cooperation that you can recall, that you experience on the daily basis from a loved one, means from family, friend, that definitely we experience every day. So very quick one, just a 1 minute thought on that, and then share with us. Okay, I hope that was enough time just to think at the moment who comes to your, vision, your mind. Who is that? What is the cooperation you experience from them on daily basis? So if we can hear from all of you, who is ready to volunteer to share? Can somebody volunteer to share? Otherwise, okay, we'll go with
Yeah, Om Shanti.
Om Shanti.
Yeah, my name is Ish. Cooperation, which I am facing, like day-to-day basis, it's on workplace with my superiors, where they are doing extended cooperation at the time of COVID while we are working remotely. And whenever, whatever support is required from the work front and on the personal front, so they have extended support. Although they are supporting in operational point of view, because I'm in IT with the maximum clients, and although they are supporting team members who is handling clients wherever we have some issues with the client or client has some complaints. So they are not targeting us, although they are very supportive, and Baba blessings also there. So that is a big cooperation which I am having from my seniors. So that is what I want to share actually.
Wow, that's beautiful sharing. So, years in a very um, like unprecedented. Thank you. A world pandemic. Thank you. Mahesh, you have raised hand.
Yeah, Om Shanti sister. Cooperation from family in this situation to take care of the children at home and allowing people who are at work to work properly, and especially spouse who prepares food at time and taking care of children. That's the one cooperation I can think of.
Right. Thank you. Yes. So that was in general, as we really definitely understand, without that cooperation, family cannot run. So I would like to ask you to give like just one person, what cooperation like that. If you can even make it simpler, but it's okay. But we want to hear from you. So who else want to share right now? Vijay Pal, are you here?
Jinal. Hello.
Okay, hello.
Yeah, Jinal here.
Okay, Jinal, go ahead.
Yeah, cooperation. When I get up early in the morning, I have a big smile and do meditation for few minutes, and then like in my, since it's lockdown, so during my work in the kitchen, so I cooperate with my sister-in-law, and we work together.
Very nice. Work together. All that is needed.
Yes, sister. Good morning, all my brothers and sisters.
Okay, Vijay, tell me.
Okay. Cooperation is cooperation spreads vibrations of safety belt, you know.
So I want you to tell me one act of cooperation that you experience in your family every day. Just one person and one act. Like before Jinal said that she and her sister-in-law. So yeah, if we can you tell me something that
way? My wife and children, they are the best cooperation in my life, because whenever I am in trouble, they are with me with good vibrations, and all I have felt in throughout my life, that things becomes much easier and we cross all hurdles with happiness. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yes. Bhaskaran, if I'm reading your name accurate, if you want to share, or BK Kunal. BK Kunal, if not then Swati. Yes, go ahead, please. Swati, you have to unmute. You have raised hand.
Yeah. So can you hear me?
Yes.
So I think for me, right now I'm away from family. So I just want to thank one person who daily put milk packet below hostel. Without that, I don't have a breakfast. So I really want to have a gratitude towards to cooperating every day.
Yeah. Practical, like that. We need to notice that, how my day starts, how it runs, the cooperation of many. Thank you, Swati. Anyone else? Bhaskaran, BK Kunal, Vardha, BK Vardha.
Om Shanti. I hope I'm audible.
Yes.
Okay. See, during this COVID-19 period, I had a biggest cooperation. I'm staying alone. Though I'm staying alone, I had a wonderful cooperation among the people who is surrounded by me. These like neighbors who always tell that how are you, what are you eating, what are you doing, what are the classes that you do. Even I share the classes which I take during this thing, Avect Murli, all these things. I share with them in a very, very different way. And they tell me that this is wonderful, please take care of your health, because I'm also suffering from health issues. There are so many things that I suffered during this thing, but Baba has moved me in a different way. There are so many cooperation among people who can guide me. How can I cook easily during this period? So many guidance that I got from the neighbors.
Right. Very nice. See, this world scenario has made us realize that how much support cooperation we have all around us, and how we support each other. Very nice, the neighbors, and how taking care of each other. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
now I'll ask Jyoti. You want to share?
Hello, sister, can we just take the last sharing? Thanks.
There's still time, na?
I'm sure you have missed the time because
Okay,
it's
okay.
already
No
10 minutes.
problem. Sure.
May I share?
Yes, please go ahead.
I'm Dr. Vasant. My spouse is always standing beside me and cooperating with me all during all thick and thin. And she is whenever I'm held up with something or I'm stuck somewhere, she provides me the solution. Her cooperation in my life throughout has made me successful. And what I am today is all because of her. That's what a great corporate. She is a great cooperative lady. That's what my take is.
You so
Thank you.
much.
Thank you.
Yes. So I think, yeah, that's right. I was just miscalculating the time. So that's very nice sharings. And as we all will be going forward with deeper exploring on cooperation. So now let's stop with this and I'll pass it over to Brother Manoj for the next. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, sister. I would just want to say I've copied and pasted the few responses from the chat. Someone also said that being considerate, supportive, and helpful towards loved ones. And lastly, so as Anu sister was telling you all, this activity was more of to be something specific, some act of cooperation which was specific. So in the end, we got one response, like I run a trust. We supply food packets and immunity boosters with masks and grocery items. So that's what. So these are all specific things. Someone also said about milk packets. So it's good. So we'll move from general to specific, and that's what the main aim of this exercise was, to come out with specific acts of cooperation. I'll just stop sharing, and I know many of you all are not new except for a few people. So can I just take introduction in a different way today? In the sense, I would just switch on to the gallery view. I don't know why I am seeing myself. Yeah. So what I would want to do is in the next 5 minutes, people have already attended so many sessions. So I would want you all to help me. What are the first 3 key principles of Vihasa? And I would want only few people to raise hands. Tell me those few key principles of Vihasa. 3 key principles. You can raise hands. Okay, silence from the crowd. So probably, yeah, someone is raising hands. Yeah, Vinaya, you can share. Go ahead. Followed by sign. Yeah, Vinaya, go ahead. Are you not able to mute? Just a minute. Yeah, I think you can unmute yourself now. Vinaya. Okay, Sai, go ahead. I don't know. Vinaya is not speaking. You'll have raised hands for the previous exercise or what? I don't know. So anyone wants to speak about, I think you'll are not a bit conversant with this. So maybe I'll just share the screen and start speaking the introduction. I can see a few more participants again raising hands. Swati, you want to share something about the key principles of Vihasa? You all will be able to unmute yourself now because I have disabled that option.
Anyway, brother,
So
I did it
Swati
now.
or Sai, someone wants to speak?
Yes. Yeah. So thank you. Like, I was unable to unmute myself. Okay, Manojji. So I believe like I can do. These are the principles. I hear, I see, I do.
Okay, so that is just a corollary which you gave. I hear, I can do. That's fine. It's not wrong. But we wanted to say the key principle. So the first key principle is to heal thyself. Physician, heal thyself. You have to become your own physician. If I can request the other participants, Jinal, to just mute your mics because there's a lot of disturbance from the wind around, probably. Thank you. The second key principle is you learn here from facilitated experiential learning. You will be divided in groups, and every group where you sit with, you interact with each other and learn from your
Is it only me or I can't hear, brother?
Yeah,
We
even
can't
I
hear,
can't
brother.
able to hear.
Net is very poor from his side.
Sorry, I think I was disconnected for some reason. I'm back. Yeah. So y'all are writing it in the chat box, so I just can't see any chat now. Anu's sister can help me. Have they written anything in the chat
No.
about the spiritual tools?
They haven't.
Fine. So I'll just show you the slide of spiritual tools because it is just taking away time.
Maybe you need stop the video. Maybe with internet.
Sorry, which video?
Your video, because it's interrupting, na? We cannot hear you accurately. Your internet.
I have stopped everything. I just restart the share me again, maybe. Okay, I'll just do it again.
Okay, means your video.
There's no video. You mean to say my video? Okay, I'll just stop that. Okay, fine. So hope you all can see the slide now in front of you. So these are the spiritual tools which we use. Meditation, that is to take care of your mind, calming your mind, followed by visualization, which is you look at every aspect of your life from your inner eye, which is the third eye. Someone is typing on the chat box. Let me just see what you all are typing. So yes, Mahesh has mentioned all of them. So very good. Visualization. Hope you didn't type it after the slide was shown. I'm sure I'm just kidding. So reflection, yes, all of us reflect constantly during the activities which you all are doing. But reflection is simply going back in that situation which we force you all to go back to and then think about that in detail. That is contemplation. Appreciation, all of you all have to be in that appreciative mode throughout. Listening, today you will be practicing something called cooperative listening. We have already done peaceful listening and compassionate listening. This listening is slightly different. Praful Bhai will tell you that. Creativity and playfulness, these two tools also help you develop the right brain, which is the more creative brain, and helps you in de-stressing. As you can see, these are the modules which we cover. I don't know. Yeah. So these are the modules we have finished, all of them, and cooperation is the one which is pending. We are starting part 1 of cooperation today. We have covered values in general, peace, positivity, compassion, valuing self, spirituality in healthcare, and the root of all values, as you can see, it's in the roots, the resilience. So with this, let me now just move on to the activity. So what is cooperation? What does it mean for you? All of us have heard this word. It's a word which is very commonly and casually also used. Please cooperate with me. Please help me. So we use it very often. But at the back of the mind, when we use this value cooperation, is there something else going on? Is there maybe an urge to get it back in return? So that becomes sort of not selfless. It just becomes doing it for some self motives or some self gain. So we'll explore this value a bit more in detail through exercises. So the first exercise today is, what does cooperation mean for me? So how do we go about? This is a self-reflection activity. We won't be splitting you all into groups. You'll have to do it with yourself, sitting by yourself. Reflect on a situation at home or at work, either, where you experienced successful cooperation. So this activity is actually linked to the first warming up icebreaker session, whereby you all came out with a few activities where you all mentioned about cooperation being done, cooperation shown to you all, or you all having been showing to others. So reflect on such situation, and then I'll be giving you some time. Let me finish off with what you have to do in the activity. First is, what made the situation successful? So the what aspect. In that, what were the behaviors and skills the people showed? And second is, what were the qualities or values the people expressed? So there are two things you have to write down. On an action level, what behaviors or what skills the people showed, which made the act cooperation, which made the act a successful cooperation. And second is, we always are doing the values workshop. So you know the qualities or values which they expressed for having a successful cooperation. So reflect on such a situation from your past life. I'll give you a few minutes to reflect on. So I'm sure you all have the situation in your mind. So just to remind you, look at the behaviors and the skills, that is the action mode the people's demonstrated to make it a successful cooperation. And second is the internal aspect, the qualities and the values. So another 3-4 minutes and then we'll move into the sharing mode. Thank you.
Manoj brother, you are mute. So I'm not sure if Brother Manoj is there. So I hope you have all written down. We would ask you to share your answers to your questions. So maybe we can start, and then Manoj brother can join again. Maybe he's having an internet problem. So are you all ready to share?
Yes.
Okay, give me 1 second. Okay. So go ahead, brother.
Yeah. Myself, Ish. So yesterday incident, recent incident yesterday. Yesterday I got a call from my center, Brahma Kumari Center, where they required my help.
Right. Okay.
In some activities at center. So that is a working duration, and I got a call from near about 10:15. So it was in some urgent work also. So once I got a call, I get in touch with my superiors. Like I got a call and I want to go to my center and I require 15 minutes. After that, I will log in from there. So they never ask any question and they showed a very cooperative, and very enthusiastic in manner. They support me and they said, okay, you go and I will take care. So once I reached there, then I started my seva, whatever is required from my side. And I spent a whole day I got a support from my team and from the client also. Although the client called me due to some urgency and I said, like, sir, I don't have a laptop and I'm just supporting you through mobile. So if you allow me to get in touch with my seniors and they will help you out. So he said, don't worry, I will call your senior, then I will take a help from them. So he called me directly to my superiors and he got a call. After that, he said thanks to me, especially like our problem get resolved and he appreciate me like I attended the call. So that's where yesterday I got a help from the Baba.
Thank you very much. Yes. So that's very nice. So what I saw is that cooperation from your team to go and again cooperate or support elsewhere. So that's really nice sharing. Thank you. So the qualities I got is support, enthusiasm from them, and you experienced, then also success, I would say. So yeah, thank you so much. I would like to request others as you share. Let's focus on. We don't have to share the whole situation. Then time will go. But yes, like you can recall and say what are the behaviors or skills that was showed. You can tell your scenario, but very quickly, and then if you can identify the qualities or values expressed in that particular supportive behavior. Okay. So who else can share right now?
Yeah, so I'm back.
Okay, brother, go ahead.
Vijay bhai, yeah, just a moment. I would just want to request people that please concentrate on the activities. Sorry, it was my mistake. I had just mentioned I'll be announcing that in the end about the Vihasa group, WhatsApp group. So now concentrate on the activities. And as Anu's sister said, we have to concentrate on two things: the behaviors and skills, that is the action mode, what those people did, and second is the qualities and values with associated with that. So don't tell us the entire activity, just tell us about these two things. Yeah. So I think Vijay Bhai was already told. Yeah, so go ahead, Vijay Bhai. Yeah.
Thank you, brother and sisters. I made a big loss in financial loss, very big amount. But everybody in my family was very understanding. They listened to me, tried to understand the whole situation, and they were so calm, and they were giving me fully acceptance and feelings of love and total cooperation that everything will be okay. And with this feeling, to when we listen with acceptance to others, most of our problems appears to be very small, although they are mountains but look like a rice. So my experience with my people is that always accept people whatever they are, and that time when you have done a mistake, then you are in pain. So people will give you love and acceptance. Your pain will be minimized, and you will see that problem was not so big, problem was very small.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, Vijay Bhai. Thank you. Then in the meanwhile, others are raising hands. So if Anu's sister wants to write down, Siddhi Tambi from Goa is mentioning that she does multitasking work. While doing this, she receives cooperation from her family. So doing multitasking work at home. And her friends and co-partners in business and her entire team, they trust her too. So the value or quality is trust. Okay, multitasking at home, receives help, cooperation from there, and trust is the value. Deepika from Himachal is mentioning the behavior wise, self-improvement, patience, and I think conflict avoidance it would be. So self-improvement, patience, and conflict avoidance. That's the behavior and skills they show. I mean, she has mentioned. And the qualities is ambitious, compassionate, and courageous. Ambitious, compassionate, and courageous. Yeah, so we have a few more minutes, 5 more minutes left for one or two more sharing. So someone wants to raise hands, you can go ahead and let us know.
Can I share?
Or you all want to
Brother?
type also? Yeah, who's speaking?
Mahesh.
Yeah, Mahesh, go ahead. I would just request the others who aren't speaking, like Vijay Bhai, if you can just mute yourself so that we don't have background noises. I'm sorry, there are background noises with me also, but I can't help. Go ahead, Mahesh. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a teamwork in the behavior skills, discipline, timeliness, knowledge, and the values I see is patience, courage.
Okay, patience and courage. Thank you. So as you can see, there will be a lot of overlap. You'll be wondering, "Arey, ye log qualities, values, bhi behavior skills mein likh rahe hain." So actually, behaviors and skills which we document in our action, basically they are value based. So don't worry, there'll always be an overlap of all these. But we are just trying to figure it out in a separate way and trying to make them separate. BK Varadha has mentioned that in her behaviors, she shows cooperation, which is already the value, and coordination. So coordination. And the qualities love, affection, and caring. Love, affection, and caring. Beautiful. Next one. Yeah, just a minute. I'll just come to you all. Just hold on, just a minute. Then second is Swati is mentioning about cooking and cleaning. These are the behaviors at home, action. So cooking is a skill, and cleaning also can be a skill. And along with that, she's mentioned a lot of values, which is responsibility, trust, motivation. Responsibility, trust, motivation. Dr. Jyoti Sehgal has mentioned that the situation becomes successful because of firm determination to do it. So you can write situation becoming with firm determination. That's the value. So now I move on to, I don't, actually my screen is half here. So who was sharing? You can just go ahead. Sorry to interrupt.
I want to share, Dr. Manoj. I'm Dr.
Yeah, go ahead, Vasant.
So, see, recently we had a situation when my wife's brother was suffering from COVID at a remote place. And her brother-in-law, he also got a surgery done, colectomy done. So that was, so she was very much perturbed. So I, with patience and understanding, I gave her emotional and psychological support and said, they will get well, they will recover well, don't worry. And so that way, don't panic. So that kind of support and understanding I gave her. And then I showed the respect to her and listening patiently, calmness, and humor. Sometimes
So
just tickling
respect,
her.
calmness, humor will be the values which are there. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, sir.
Respect, calmness, and humor. You tried to be humorous and tried to help them in their healing.
Sir,
Okay.
sir.
That's great.
Thank you.
So there are quite a few responses in chat. Thank you. I'll just read about what Somnath has said, Dr. Somnath Saha. The behavior is cooperation and assistance. Okay, so assistance and cooperation. And quality he's mentioned is caring and sharing. A few more responses are from Deepa Budhev. She's mentioning that in the behavior, there has to be determination. Behavior, there has to be determination. And I'm sorry, I think my internet, you all can hear me still. And values is faith and honesty. Faith and honesty. So we still have, I think 5-7 minutes left. We're not short of time. We are on perfectly before time. So you all can feel free to raise your hands. Anyone else wants to share? Again, Dr. Jyoti Sehgal has mentioned the qualities are to take all along with, to take all of them together irrespective of different calibers. So it is like trying to harmonize, take like as a group, as a teamwork again, to take all of them together irrespective of having different calibers. I'll just read out what Subhash Pai has written again. He's saying qualities mein for cooperation are positive attitude. Positive attitude. Then one more thing Rita has mentioned. I think the behavior should be cooperation with empathy. So empathetic behavior will be there for cooperation needed. And the values would be faith and honesty. Faith and honesty. So no worries, many of you all have shared. Still, there are a few sharings coming in. Uh, I'll take the last sharing now. Again, Ashwani Kumar has mentioned that the qualities which are needed are care and empathy, brotherhood, and positive thinking. Right. So thank you so much. So let me just look at the slide now, and all of you can see it's a beautiful mix of values and behaviors, and there's a lot of intermingling as well. But the behaviors are the ones which demonstrate values in action. So when we say values in action, that becomes your behavior. So, and skill is something which we really do a lot of things to make sure that we are good at that. Like cooking is a skill, cleaning can be a skill, or your profession could be your skill. And qualities, all of y'all, qualities and values, all of y'all know very well right from the beginning. So that's it. Thank you so much all for your feedback and for your sharings. And now what we'll try to do is, Anu sister will be taking you into the next activity, but let me just tell you that all these values now, we'll be trying to go in a meditative mode and try to inculcate them in ourselves. We'll explore whether they are there in me or not, and whether I can really inculcate them or not. Thank you. Over to Anu sister.
Thank you, Manoj brother. So yes, so beautifully we came up with all the qualities that is needed to cooperate. And then as we are, I'm sure you are thinking, you are seeing how that's those qualities of cooperation brings success or accomplishments of tasks, or that harmony, that peace, that is what we need in our life at the end, however. So in the next session, next exercise, as Brother Manoj said, we will go through those, experiencing those qualities of cooperation more deeply in a meditation. So I'll ask you all to recall or, choose 3 qualities of cooperation that that means cooperation to you, or that is you think right now is in the forefront, that these are the qualities of cooperation, and then we will go on experiencing it. So start. The next exercise is inner values of cooperation. So we'll visualize, we will think deeply, reflect, and experience it. Those 3 chosen cooperation qualities. So for that, sit relaxed. So I'll ask you to relax, put your feet firmly on the ground, and the hands relaxed on your lap. Sit straight, relaxed on your chair or whichever position you are sitting in. So feel your body relaxes. As the body relaxes, your mind too relaxes. The thoughts come to this present moment. Your breathing is calm and you are feeling calm and peaceful. Now, think of some of the qualities of cooperation that you just reflected and visualized. So think of those situations and recognize the qualities of cooperation. So these qualities are your special qualities. That is your very special quality that you bring out into interactions every day. And now, think of just one of these qualities and really experience it. Just one quality in your thought. And ask yourself, what does it feel like to be that quality? When you are expressing it, what is it bringing out? See yourself using that quality, and what is the experience? Now focus on that quality alone. And reflect on that if an image that appears in front of you that expresses that quality of cooperation, do you feel a color that is expressing that quality of cooperation? Or a phrase that may come to your mind associated with the quality?
धुलोगे तो हम धुल देंगे यार, उसमें क्या धुलने वाली बात नहीं, टाइम वेस्ट होता है ना। अब बोलोगे
Can you see yourself being that quality in your everyday life? So, see how you express that quality in your everyday life and experience that quality. Now, let's move to the second quality of cooperation, that you have it within and you express it in everyday interactions. And that quality of cooperation brings again the beautiful experiences of harmony, of peace, of that support, that feel good. So what is the second quality of cooperation that you notice in you? Again, think of an image or colors that may come to your mind that expresses that quality of cooperation. Visualize and see yourself expressing that support or cooperation to others and experience it as deeply as you can. Now experiment with it. Compare it with the first quality of cooperation. How is it different or similar from that one? Or do you notice both are alike in giving the beautiful result of cooperation? Now move to your third quality of cooperation that you have chosen. And experience it as deeply as you can. Visualize how that quality in you plays out. What kind of experience and result it brings. A quality that expresses the value of cooperation. And how does it help everyone involved and the surrounding? Focus on this quality and experience. See yourself filled with that quality and expressing and experience. Now you can compare this third quality with the other two quality of cooperation that you chose. Are they similar? Different? All these three qualities are a part of you. You, the peaceful and cooperative person. So get a sense of that person. See yourself filled with those qualities and feel at peace with yourself. And as you feel those qualities within you, and you just saw it playing out in your daily interactions, take it with you. Feel the joy and peace of having those. And Promise yourself to bring it out more consciously every day in every interaction. So now slowly come back to the awareness of your body. Feel your feet on the ground and come back to this present moment. Welcome back, everyone. I hope you are very clear about the 3 values or qualities that you express for cooperation in your daily interactions, and be more conscious about it now. That's what we take home with us. So with that meditation, now let's move on to the next activity, which will be the cooperative listening. We have been doing it, and today will be, let's see what is the difference, what is the deeper aspect of listening with Praful brother. Thank you, brother.
Om Shanti, thank you. So, wonderful exercise, I believe. And I'm sure we don't want to get out of that meditative mode. So, but yeah, let's move on to the next beautiful exercise. And that is cooperative listening. And somehow I feel that listening is a very key aspect of the cooperative value which we want to really develop. Because just think for a moment, if you're not listening, if you're not paying attention to the other person's views, then are we really cooperating? So for the next 45 minutes or so, as we do this exercise, I would suggest each of you all to focus on the listening aspect, the cooperative listening aspect. So essentially there are 3 major principles, okay, we should be keeping in mind. First thing, as a listener, I should be peaceful inside. Because if I'm not peaceful myself, I'm myself in a hazy way, then I may not be able to focus on what others are speaking. Second thing is that I should be attentive. Okay. So whatever other person is speaking, I should be attentive. If I'm doing different things and I'm just listening without attention, just think how other person will feel. Will he really feel that I'm cooperative? No matter I'm pretending that I'm hearing, or even if I'm, for that matter, I'm hearing, but I'm not attentive, that will become a problem. And the third aspect is listening from the heart. Because the more we listen from inside, the more we give out those vibrations to others, and the cooperation, that feeling can be experienced by others. Again, there are many other parameters also of listening, that let's not be judgmental that अरे वो तो वही सुनाने वाला है, उसको सुन के क्या फायदा होगा. If you really want to listen others, listen them as a fresh, with a new perspective. That will really help us uncover some potentialities or some unknown facts which otherwise we would have missed. So there was this beautiful background reading which we had shared with all of y'all. It has some beautiful points. So I'm sure some of y'all might have read it, but if not, do read it. I think that covers at length how can we really improve our cooperative listening. But now let's move on to the exercise. So we will do this exercise in a interesting way, a different way. So what I want you all to do is grab your notepad and pen. And before writing, I want you all to reflect on a piece of music you particularly like. Okay, that music can be any music. It could be a childhood song, it could be patriotic song, any prayer, or any spiritual song, any romantic song, any DJ song, whatever you feel. I'm sure each of us must be exposed to different kinds of song, and there could be some song which is close to our heart. So let's hear to that song for a moment. Okay, of course, you can just hear that in your mind. Okay, you need not play it, but just think of that one song which you like the most. I'll pause for some moments so that you can really cherish those memories of that song, and then I'll come on to the question, so that will help you uh, decode that song. Again, as I mentioned, it could be classical, it could be instrumental, it could be with lyrics, without lyrics, it could be a regional language, Hindi language, whichever it could be. Just choose one such music. You need not mention that in the chat window. It's okay. We will be taking sharings later. At this time, just focus. Okay. So I believe all of you all might have noted down the music for yourself. Now I'm displaying some questions on the screen. I want you all to reflect on these questions as I call out. First one is, why have you chosen that piece of music or song? You know, it is not that Praful Bhai said that is the reason, but in particular, why do you like that songs? Because we keep on listening to so many songs. So just note it down. Secondly, what makes it special to you? Of course, there would be something special in that song which you like about. So what is that? Third question is, what does it remind you of? So while we sing the song or while we listen to it, there could be some image, some picture, maybe some relative, some family member, some friend, or some, scenic place. So it could remind you of something, maybe of a resort, of a picnic spot, or whatever it could be. So what does it really remind you of? Note it down. And the last question is, how does it make you feel now? Or whenever you recall it. So I'll give you all 2 minutes, just reflect on these questions and you may note the responses on your notepad. So Siddhi, Ashwini, you will not mention on the chat window, just note it in your notepad, okay? Or let me put off the chat so that we stay focused. Why I mentioned that? Because if you all mention on the chat window, everybody will start reading it. And this over here, I want a self-reflection time. So make sure that you also note the questions down, because shortly we will be moving you all to a breakout rooms where you will be discussing these with your partners. So you all can choose to take a screenshot of this slide or note the questions on your notepad so that it is easy for you all to refer it as you interview your partners. Okay, I believe you all have written down. They were quite simple questions. So now what we'll be doing is we will be moving you all in groups of 4 people into small rooms. And what you all need to do is each one of you all take around 3 minutes time. We'll give you all 15 minutes. So take 3 minutes of time and just share with your group members as to which is your favorite music and the questions which have been mentioned down. Okay. And others, while the first person is speaking, they are requested to listen that person with cooperation. Okay. Later on, we'll explore how that listening thing was done. But at present, when you go to the breakout room, each of the other members should listen to that person. And if you feel that person has not really covered any a part of the question, or if you feel that you're curious to know something more about that music, feel free to ask that person. Once the person stops sharing, or once the sharing is done, then the second person will share, the other 3 will listen, the third person will share, and the fourth person. So I think 3 minutes each, so 12 minutes you all can spend together, and make sure that each one gets chance to listen. I would encourage you all to turn on your video while you are sharing, because again it will be easy for you all to share with the videos on and understand each other. So enjoy this 12 minutes. There could be a couple of participants who may not be able to turn on their mic. It's okay, don't worry. But all those who can turn on their mic and turn on the video, please do it, so that this cooperative listening can be done very well. Okay, so this is only first part of the exercise. As I move you all to the breakout rooms, the second part of the exercise is more interesting. But for that, the ingredient is that first you should be completing the first part. You all see these 6 rooms on my screen. I'll also share the breakout rooms. There you go. So we have happy hearts, intuitive ideas, loving lights, Ruhani roses, and valuable voyages. So we have 4 members in each, maybe 5 in a couple of them. So I'll be breaking you all for 12 minutes. Take your time and let's meet after 12 minutes. Any questions before we move on? Okay, I believe not. So I'll give you all a timer of 60 seconds, just in case a reminder for you all to wind up. So have a wonderful discussions and hope to meet you all soon after 12 minutes. Om Shanti.
Om Shanti.
Okay, so I believe all of you all have reflected and maybe noted a couple of points. Again, what we will be doing is we will be going to the same groups. okay, where you came from. And now you need to discuss with them not about the music, okay, you have already discussed that. Now you will discuss with them the cooperative listening part, these two aspects. So again, we'll break out for 12 minutes, maybe 4 minutes each, depending on how many numbers your group has. I see that one group had 3 and one had 5, and most of them had, I believe, 4. So that's okay. So whatever number of members are, make sure that you speak for 2 to 3 minutes. 2 minutes spent on describing how was your experience, how was your experience as speaking, as you know, or telling your story about your favorite music. What did you remember, and you know, how was it feeling about the other listeners? Did you have a safe, whatever this questions you see on this screen? And then as a listener, when you listen to others, what were you feeling? Was there any connect, any correlation? Did you feel energized? Did you feel to ask any follow-up questions to get more clarity about the others, what they are sharing? Or were you feeling bored or thinking, "Arey kab khatam hota hai?" Whatever it is. So why I'm not taking that sharing in the main group, because I think each of us should get a chance to share. And if we take the sharing here, it may happen that we miss out from some. So let's again go back to the main breakout rooms for 12 minutes. And yeah, we'll meet after 12 minutes. So I hope it is clear what needs to be done. If any questions, you can ask me and I'll start the group again.
Yes.
So meet you all in 12 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have some participants still coming in. So let's wait for another 10 seconds. Okay, welcome everyone. I hope I'm audible and you all got a good time to discuss amongst yourself as to how was the cooperative listening was. So now I would call out the group names, and what I want you all to do is share any key takeaways which you all feel about your group, which really was very much evident, which most of you all shared, or any learnings which you feel is very important for us to cultivate our cooperative listening. So yes, I would just want you all to share the main points. You need not share कि कौन सा song उन्होंने बताया, song कैसा लगा, क्या लगा. I believe all of that you all might have already discussed. But here I want you all to discuss the main crux. You know, you can choose to see the screen. Again, I'm sharing the same screen. Not the exact answer of the questions, but what was the summary of your takeaway as a listener and as a speaker. As a speaker means when you were sharing, and as a listener is when you were hearing others speaking about their favorite music. Okay, so let us start with Happy Hearts. Who would like to share in the Happy Hearts? The gist, any key takeaways, and as they are sharing, Sister Anu will make a note of them.
Okay, I think Happy Arts was our group. I am Brother Vijay. Our group was Sister Jyoti, Sister Vidyaji, Brother Suhasji, and myself. So we had a wonderful discussion, and the crux is that whenever we are connected to a top energy, a high energy, means the Parampita Paramatma, the godly supreme power, automatically our internal feelings become strong. We have a confidence. We feel contented. We spread vibrations of love and happiness. Automatically it happens. So all our group was on a high energy, because all were feeling that they are connected to God through songs or through the discussions when we talk about high energy. So as a speaker, I was full of love, peace, and happiness when I was talking to my group, and automatically it was vibrations were giving. And as a listener also, since my group was also full of energy and connected to a supreme energy, automatically they were also spreading a vibration. So the essence is always remain connected to your supreme power. And when you are connected to a supreme power, all his qualities comes to you of love, peace, knowledge, happiness, bliss, and power. When these powers come to you, you automatically give these powers to others, and the environment becomes of very calm, very peaceful, a very happy moment, and we want to remain in that environment. So the essence is cooperative listening, cooperative speaking is acceptance, understanding, and always remain, give vibrations of love, peace, and happiness. Sukh dena, sukh lena is our motive. Thank you.
Okay, let's move on to intuitive ideas. Anyone would like to share? Arudhya, Videepa, Vasant, Dr. Vasant, LB, Rai, Siddhi, or Vardha, BK Vardha. Any one of you all would like to?
Deepa's sister will share from our group.
Okay, Sister Deepa. Any key takeaways? Like what I understand from first group is that they understand cooperation as connecting with the Supreme. So what is your take on the cooperation side? How do you relate it to? Yeah.
Thank you. So there was a a bond of faith between all the participants. So it was very easy to share. Everybody were very enthusiastic. The way they were sharing, they were very open, and I loved the way Dr. Vasant shared that there was a word which I really loved, which was cosmic love. Which gave I felt like an ocean of love when he shared. So that was something which I'm going to keep with me. And of course, when I loved when Sister Siddhi was sharing, and she spoke about the innocence in her. So that was also very nice, very pure feeling. We could, all of us could feel that vibration of purity, and that's all.
Great. So when the listening is really cooperative, all these feelings emerge. So that's great. So let's move on to the next group. Who would like to share next? Loving lights. Ashok, Dr. Ashok Mehta, Deepa, Dr. Somnath, or Rita? Any one of you all?
I'm Dr. Somnath here.
Yes, brother. Go ahead.
So actually, in our group was an extraordinarily active group. I felt that especially the part in the cooperative listening part, as a listener, all were very enthusiastic in hearing, in taking what the other person is trying to express, trying to emphasize, and trying to share. So they were showing genuine interest. So it is nothing to, it cannot be a show off. When you are listening, it cannot be a fake thing. It has to be from the heart. And this I felt when in our group was like so much of enthusiasm and genuine interest. And overall, because of that, the whole atmosphere was highly energetic, and people were having the freedom, complete freedom of sharing and understanding each other. And the basis was acceptance, pure, unconditional acceptance. So this is the crux of our group.
Awesome. So in this limited 2 minutes, you have shared so many values. That's great. And these are such wonderful values which one should have for cooperative listening. Let's move on to Ruhani Roses. Who would like to share?
I would like to share, brother. Shanti.
Yes, Mahesh.
Our group was very calm, and our group was very calm. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, our group was very calm, and all were from spiritual background. And the crux of this one is everyone loves music, be it spiritual, non-spiritual. So whenever we feel low or want to get motivate ourselves, we go to and listen to the music, whatever music you love. Most of the people from spiritual background love the music of music and songs from Baba, Shiv Baba, and we had a nice sharings also. And when I was speaking, I felt very confident and felt like everyone is speaking, listening very carefully and very calm. And I felt encouraged to speak more. And when I was listening, I was very calm and composed. And whatever they shared, I was noting it down. So I felt like everyone loves music. That's the crux of this meeting.
Good, good. Thanks. Thank you so much. Let's move on to
Thank you.
valuable voyages. Ashwini,
Yeah.
Abhishek, Kunal, Jindal. Yeah, anyone?
Yeah, I would like to share.
Please go ahead.
Yes. So in our group, like all were very showing active interest. They had excellent interest and feelings were expressed, whatever like they had in their heart. So it were like greatly they expressed very nicely their feelings. All were very cooperative as a listener when I was sharing, and very supportively they were like listening, and we had good experiences and qualities like helping, cooperation, respectful, positivity. So all were like we learned a lot from like during this discussion. So all these qualities were discovered from the people, from the members, and all were connected to spiritual, and they are connected to Parampita Paramatma Shiv Baba, and all were like even I was like peacefully listening, and all were patiently, peacefully, calmly listening the things when everyone was sharing, and encouragement was there, like they were like very nicely sharing, and we got a good learning experiences from each and every one who all shared.
Awesome. Thank you so much. So let's move
Yeah.
on to the last group, peaceful parrots. Anyone from y'all would like to share? Shaila,
Swati,
Shashikant,
would you like to go ahead?
Swati, Vinaya.
Swati, would you go ahead, please?
Okay, I think I just want to summarize that the overall crust was mostly all of us were unbiased, calm during listening, and that actually laid the foundation which built up confidence in everyone in further sharing. Yeah.
Wonderful. That is also a very important ingredient which we discussed at the beginning, that we should be unbiased and non-judgmental. So, well, I think we are close to end this exercise. But before really moving on, I would request all of you all to reflect on your conversations, throughout the day. Maybe it is not possible during the day, but at the night time before we really go to the bed, just visualize that how was I cooperative as a listener, and as a speaker, how did I feel when others cooperated with me. So and these qualities will really get a chance to apply in our daily life. It so happens that we are very good at identifying the values which is needed, but when it comes to application, somewhere there becomes a disconnect. And that is why we did this exercise of the music thing. Music to ek bahana tha, but from that we really came on to what is really needed as a cooperative listener. So yeah, with this, let's move on to the next exercise. I would request Sister Anu to take us through. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Praful Bhai. So that was great sharings, as we all heard. I don't want to repeat a lot, but yes, as you can see, the last one, unbiased. You felt unbiased during listening, and that built confidence for others to share. So the cooperative listening that brought out, enthusiasm, encouragement, patience, calmness, non-judgmental, the innocence, the cosmic love, giving and taking happiness. So there was a connectedness that you all felt. So that is really beautiful sharing. So now let's move to the next one, that we have been experiencing cooperation, how beautiful it can be. And yes, without cooperation, we can't exist. We have to, we do cooperate with each other. That is where the life moves on. So the next one, I will reflect on all the cooperation qualities, and the next exercise will be taking it back to work. So in the work scenario, and it can be, at home too. I like to remind that if somebody is at home, that's your work. So how do you, see cooperation playing out at your workplace? And so that's what we'll go through. This is kind of an action planning exercise. So for that, let's reflect on a few questions that I'll show you on the screen. So be ready with your paper and pen. So taking the cooperation back to work. So first of all, I'll ask you to identify a problem or issue at work where you need to cooperate with others. So let's see ourselves, each of you, that where do I need to cooperate from my end? We judge others a lot. So what is that I can give in now, as we have been thinking about reflecting on all the beautiful qualities of cooperation? So for that, identify a problem or issue at work where you need to give your cooperation to others. So let's take a moment maybe on that. So genuinely reflect on a situation where you need to cooperate to resolve that problem and issue. Now, as we have understood that if I bring the quality of cooperation, any issue or problem can be solved. And reflect on all these beautiful qualities we talked about. So far, reflect on what you have learned in the session today about the principles of cooperation, as we were looking at the principles of listening from the heart, genuinely, without judgment, bringing total peace and patience, that the other person feels not obstructed from sharing. How we bring encouragement in others. The principles of cooperation, that is a lot of qualities that is demanded from me. And reflect on that beautiful result it brings when we cooperate. So it is all your reflection on what are the cooperation qualities that you discussed and taking for yourself. And visualize applying those principles or qualities of cooperation to resolving the problem or issue at work that you just reflected and identified. So be genuine and put it in a real, genuine thought as you visualize that issue, and visualize how the principle of cooperation that you can apply, even the qualities that you can apply in those situations, and see how it resolves the problem or issue. So we'll take a few minutes, 3-4 minutes to reflect. So I hope you all have got it. So you focus on how did you feel about applying those principles or that qualities, and what was the experience of cooperation in tackling real problems and issues. So I hope you all have gone through that process. Just reflect for a minute about how do you feel that you were able to apply the qualities of cooperation and the problems or issues are resolved. Okay, so I hope it was a good action planning activity that you could see cooperation in play for your problems and what was the experience. We would like to take the sharings from you, and for that I'll hand it over to Brother Manoj.
Okay, thank you. You are now ready with your sharings. So now let me just try to take sharings from those people. Go ahead, Anu sister, you wanted to say something?
No, I think there is some noise and all. So I want to request everyone else who is not sharing to please. Okay. So yes, Manoj bhai, go ahead.
Okay, I think there's some drilling noise in the background. I don't know where it is coming
That is
from.
from Vijay, brother Vijay. Please
So we
keep
can
it
just
muted.
maybe mute it ourselves. You can do that on your own, Anu sister, if he's
I'm doing it. I have done 3-4 times the
he's
same.
probably not aware of that. Okay, anyway. Okay, so what I would request, people who haven't shared before will be taking active participation now. So I know the people who haven't shared, but I want you all to be very proactive and directly come up with sharings, because it's again the same people who are sharing all the time. So can I ask different people like Vidya or Aruna or Ananya to share your experiences about the last activity? Vidya, Aruna or Ananya? Okay, if not, can we move on to LB Rai? Who is speaking? Oh, it's again Vijay. We'll just mute it. Okay.
Om Shanti.
Anand, yeah, Aruna, go ahead. Om Shanti. Yeah.
Yeah. Last activity which we had in group was very nice. It was a group of spiritual people get connected together, and there was so much calmness in the group. I don't know whether we were hesitant to talk or we were calm, but there was a lot of silence in the first activity. And
Sorry to interrupt. Actually, sorry, Aruna. We were wanting to discuss about this exercise, about what is your action planning of taking back to work. Yeah, is that okay? You want to share something about that? Yeah. Hope you don't mind.
Yeah, no. What I had, the action plan was whenever the people at my workplace needed a break, I should give them, and which I'm doing right now also. When they are not able to do work, I would try to help them out. This was the action plan which I'm doing right now also, and which I will sustain.
Okay, so sustaining the help, that is the value which you want to help for cooperation.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Vidya, Rita, LB Rai, you want to speak something about this activity, the last one? About how will you take it back to work? Okay. If people are so inhibited, so maybe then you all can just start raising hands. Maybe Gitika or Sharyakshi. Either of you all want to share? Okay. You all can share in non-English languages also. Hindi is also fine if you are comfortable in Hindi. Yeah, Vidya, go ahead. Yeah.
Yes, I found this workshop is very useful for me, and what I learn take home message is that we should firstly means try to cooperate others and let us set our ego aside. That's what I means understand. I learned from this workshop, and it will be very useful for me to apply at my workplace.
Okay, excellent. So you want to set your ego aside. So in turn, what do you want to do then? So ego is something negative. So what's something positive which you want to do opposite of ego?
Though people are means though people are hesitating, so I can move forward. I can communicate them. I can ask them for help. That's what I can do.
Okay, fine. So you will be proactive and ask for help when needed. Okay, great.
Yes.
Thank you. You had raised your hand. It came now. Okay, thanks, Vidya. Ish is wanting to say something. Ish, you can go ahead. And after that, when we'll take sharings from others as well. Yeah, go ahead, Ish.
Yeah, so today's session open another opportunity and another door of opportunity for me. Whenever at workplace we are doing brainstorming on some problems, so most of the time we are not ready to accept other speakers and we have our own thoughts. So today, while doing exercise, previously exercise, I got to know, like, because we are in the same background and we are following the spirituality, so no issues. But while we are working with others, most of the time we are failed to recognize their point of view and where we are not ready to accept their viewpoint. So that is a opportunity which I see at my workplace where I need to be more focused.
Great. So your sharing is excellent that we should accept what the other person is in front of it saying. And I think the second activity which Praful Bhai did with you all is cooperative listening. Once we listen to the person, we are able to accept him. If we don't listen to him, acceptance is absolutely out of the question. So I think cooperative listening will help you in that. Thanks so much. Kunal, you can go ahead. You had raised your hand.
Yeah, from
Yeah.
today's session, I had a good learning that.
You have to be slightly loud. We can't hear you.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Slightly better. If you can raise it a bit more, it will be better.
Yeah, okay, sure. So from today's session, I had a good learning that we do on materialistic ground, we help people, we cooperate to people, but it's on the feelings, ground of the feelings. We should have a good feelings towards others. That makes our cooperation go beyond the limits. Like there was a brother, Ashwini brother, who told us like he had a time limit in his job. So, but since he is in medical profession, he has a time limit in his job. But due to some constraints of the patient, he extended, and that benefited the patient. So, cooperation along with a good feeling that we can Shubh Bhavna gives a good result. Yeah.
Okay, good. So this is what you want saying, that having good feelings, Shubh Bhavana for someone else is actually a good behavior, which is remember, if you remember the first activity we did, so
Yeah.
it says,
So
yes,
like,
it's a good thing.
yeah.
It should be like that.
So
Sorry.
like people, even if you're not able to cooperate to others, but to have a good feeling of cooperating, that also supports that person.
Right.
Yeah.
Thank you. Good. We move on to Siddhi Tambi from Goa. Siddhi wants to share something, and then followed by that BK Subhash. Yeah, Siddhi, go ahead. Yeah.
Yes, brother. I will say is like the situation what we gone through today.
Sorry, you are breaking. We can't hear you. Why is it only me not able to hear?
We for the explanations. I mostly deal with the like. So I learned today is like we should not judge anyone. So when we judge, we face lots of problems, and then we don't get a proper solution. So this is what I want, you know.
Okay, so being non-judgmental in your approach towards helping others will also help. Okay, right. Thanks. Yeah, and Subhash, brother, you can go ahead now.
Yeah. Om Shanti. It's actually acceptance, openness, and appreciation, and to radiate positive energy.
That's it, Om Shanti.
Okay, so acceptance and radiation of positive energy. Okay, so you summed up again, the previous two speakers also mentioned that. Okay, thank you. Dr. Somnath.
I want to speak. I want to speak. I'm Hariram.
Subhash itself speaking.
I'm Hariram.
Okay. Okay. Is that Ananya Dhanwal?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Yeah.
From today's session, I felt that the cooperative listening improves one's self-confidence. If others are listening you in a cooperative manner, then you become more self-confident, and the team spirit improves, and you can be more successful as a team.
Okay. Thank you. Dr. Somnath Saha. Mahesh, if I can just ask you to unmute yourself. Sorry, mute yourself. Somnath Saha, you had raised your hand. You want to speak? Or Dr. Jyoti Sehgal, you want to give some closing comment? Yeah.
Good morning. I am very new to your program. So today I could log in right from the beginning. So rather than sharing my experience, I have some question for you. So the activity which we listening to music and listening to everybody and then coming up what we listen and how did as a speaker and as a listener. So I want to know how do we extrapolate it to the cooperation at work? That I have not understood, or maybe I missed out that middle part. Am I audible?
Okay. So, yeah, your question. Yeah, you are very audible. I heard your question. Am I audible now?
Yes, now you're audible.
Am I audible? Okay,
yes,
thanks.
Yes,
this technology can
now.
drive you a bit. Okay, technology can be a bit crazy. Yeah, so I heard your question. I was listening to that. It's a very good observation, because actually what we were supposed to do in the first part of cooperative listening, that first part was listen to your favorite music. And that was something on an internal level. When you listen to music, what are the things which you feel inside? So that was listening to yourself. We wanted to take a bit of sharing on that, but I think for time crunch, we were not able to.
So we can't hear you, Manoj brother, now. You are breaking. So today internet is still not back. Still not.
Now it's
back.
okay.
Yeah, now it's okay. Now it's okay.
Okay. So anyway, I think that now it's fine.
Yes.
Right. I'm so sorry. I'll just repeat.
Okay. Actually, no. Again, we can't hear you. So I think until brother comes back, that's what he was very
Shanu,
nice.
like if you could like to share, actually I have some background sound at my place.
Sure.
So maybe
Let
you can
me
share.
do.
Yeah.
So yeah, very nicely as brother Manoj was taking us through that, when we are asking you to reflect on a song, you are listening, no? You are like experience hearing it yourself, and then you are experiencing what you are hearing. And so the sharing from that is that what did you feel? What is that you heard from your favorite song? And then as we move to listening to others when they are sharing, right? Like it's about that non-judgment
I'll just start
of the song. Brother, I'm doing it because you are cutting off. You're still cutting off. So maybe you can switch off the video and see. So I think Dr. Jyoti, it's like through a playful activity of choosing a song that we love. We are trying to experience listening, means while I'm listening to something very fully with my attention and heart, how I go so quiet or calm or peaceful. So that feeling I have to bring it out when I am listening to somebody else, not judging, like I'm not judging the song, but I'm just trying to understand the feeling it holds, right? So when somebody is expressing, I have to give full attention to him, that what he's trying to say, what is his perspective, not trying to bring in like somebody shared that what is my perspective or what I'm thinking about what he's sharing. So this is how I think we started with the song, listen to it, feel how you felt, and become a listener like that.
Yeah, but I'm so sorry. Maybe I'm new, but my question is still the same. How do I really extrapolate it to at work? Suppose if a family who's very, very rough, rude, not listening, that time I'm not going to experience music out of it. So
No. So you're not extrapolating, like we just took the example of music to experience a feeling of listening, being a listener. You are listening your own chosen song in your mind, by the way, right? But when you are going to work or somebody's rough, it's still to maintain your peace. No, go quiet, like as we say, like in that peaceful feeling. We try to understand the other person and need of the time at that moment. We don't want to accelerate, increase the situation's negativity or problem, but how to bring it to calm, to cooperate and work it out to accomplish the task, right? So it's not about practically taking the song to the situation, but it's about experiencing the peace. So can you go back to your peaceful feeling while listening to the other people? Hope that's what I would explain at the moment.
Am I audible now, Anu sister?
Yes, brother.
Yeah, okay. So good, Jyoti. It's good that you are challenging us, and it's very good that it's a chance for us to look.
No, please don't take it. I'm just new to your program. And just that
it is good to have a query. I'm not saying why you are. Don't worry about that. Let me just tell you one more thing, my viewpoint on that. So in Vihasa, every activity is designed in a very particular way. So first we start with very simple things. I hope I'm clearly audible now, right? Oh, again, it's unstable.
Yes, you're clearly audible now.
You're fine, Manoj, brother.
Yeah, no, it is just showing me the internet connection is unstable constantly in front of me. That's the reason. I'm sorry. So when we start with the first activity of just a simple song, it is just that am I able to listen to the song inside and am I able to relate to the values of that song? So it starts with a very simple thing and then you won't be able to extrapolate that song to your workplace. But the second part was the cooperative listening in group. That was the most important thing, which was taking you in towards the action planning mode of the last activity, that is taking back to work. So the first activities are most simple, and then as you start further, then you go into the action planning mode. So I think it was a good discussion today about just this activity, how it was and why it was. And if I would want to request Dr. Ashok Mehta wants to add on this, because he joined a bit when we started the activity. So I would like to introduce him as well. I hope he is hearing me or, yeah, Dr. Mehta, you can go ahead and speak, yeah.
Om Shanti. I think what Jyoti asked was a very, very interesting question. How do you take the cooperative listening or cooperation to your workplace? There are always challenges. There are issues. We all face the same thing. There are times when we understand theoretically that this is what we should be doing. We should be encouraging each other. We should be helping. We should be, positive on everything. We should bring in the best values, but still we are not able to do. I think the concept of values in healthcare, spiritual approaches, to change ourselves, to bring a qualitative change in my thinking, and take it to my personal life and my professional life. So I think this is, as a matter of fact, this is an opportunity of getting back to the problems at workplace and trying to see if we can what we learn in these exercises, we can take it back to the place of our work. But still, it's obvious that these challenges will always remain and will continue to, those of us who are very sensitive and very idealistic will face, these problems. And it's more like an internal change that we are looking at ourselves. So I think your question was very, very beautiful. That look, whatever you say, I have problems and how do I solve it? I think you'll have to do an internal search and putting all these exercises in a perspective in your own personal work to bring the cooperation at the workplace. So I think, of course, this is a beautiful exercises that we have enjoyed. As a matter of fact, about the song, in our group, I think 2 people sang the song beautifully. And I feel that sometimes listening to songs would have been more interesting. I don't know how much time we have. I think we are at 11:25. Next 5 minutes are still there. Instead, I think I would suggest that in our group, Dr. Somnath Shah was there, and Deepika, both of them had lovely songs. Deepika is a writer herself, and she has written Baba's songs, and a very, very touching song, if you would like to listen to Deepika or to Dr. Somnath Shah. Om Shanti.
Okay, so thank you so much for sharing that. And yeah, we had really...
Om Shanti. So sorry to interrupt you.
Yes.
If Varadarajan here, if we can have certain exercises on application of this cooperation module, would be fine, sister. Because there are certain situations which we come across and we are not able to face, and we come out of it ignoring it or ignoring that person for a time, it leads to a certain situation wherein we totally ignore him for a lifetime, like that. Hope you understand.
Right. That is why these exercises are to understand that actually it is not about ignoring, but it's about accomplishing or finishing negativity or problems between us, right? So yeah, we can look at that. Thank you for bringing that up. Maybe I think we'll move ahead for today's session. For practical application of cooperation, you're asking. So we'll look at.
Brother, we have I believe this is just the first part where we have just come on top of the iceberg, exploring what is cooperation. So the 2 more sessions we'll be having in the coming Saturdays, where we'll be really going into the depth, and also we will be covering the aspects relating to work. How can we really apply this specific value? But today is just that we started exploring it. So I will suggest you to even attend the next 2 sessions.
Okay, thank you.
So thanks. So Dr. Manoj, would you like to quickly review today's?
Thank you. I hope I'm audible properly. So as you can see, I'll just take, just a couple of minutes for this. We have seen in the morning what we have done since morning. The first activity which I told you all was cooperation. What does it mean? We went into 2 aspects. First is on the action level. What were the skills and behaviors which people showed? And second is intrinsically, what were the values or qualities associated with that? As we said, there was always an overlap between them because values are definitely displayed in action through your behaviors. Then we went into a meditative experience with Sister Anu. She took us into 3 main core values of cooperation, which was different for each one of y'all. Then Praful Bhai took us into cooperative listening. We started with the favorite music, listening to that, and then in groups, you all explored what are the tenets, what are the basic principles of listening to each other in a cooperative way. And finally, the last activity was how whatever you have learned today, what values which you can take from this activity today will help you in gaining cooperation at your workplace. So now let me ask all of you all that our next session would be as usual every Saturday. So are all wanting it every Saturday. So next Saturday is Diwali. So I hope you all can join us, because usually in the morning times, there's nothing much to do with Diwali. Your cleanings are all over and you want to burn crackers, all that in the evening. So is that okay that we have Saturday, 14 November as the part 2 for cooperation? If you all can just unmute yourself. Yeah.
Brother, coming Saturday, actually, most of the Sevadharis have Sevas in the center. So that was the concern.
Okay, hang on. I think one of you has to speak at one time. Otherwise, please write it on the chat box, because it's difficult to
It's okay, Manoj bhai.
The chat box is disabled. Please enable it. We will write in the chat box.
Actually, I would suggest raise of hand. So all those who feel you all are comfortable with having the second part of the module next Saturday, please raise your hands so that we can quickly count it. I understand there could be genuine reason and we can always skip the next Saturday. It's not that, but just we wanted to have a quick count.
So let's see how many are there. So majority wins. So far, it's only 7-8 people.
You have to raise hand if you want the session to be on 14th.
Oh, the others are silent.